Hello boys and girls. For this video, we will work on page 227 of the Math Journal, Investigating Data in the American Tour. For this exercise, we need the student reference book. So what I've done is I've taken a picture of it and we can read through it together. We're going to discuss life expectancy and how it has changed in the US over time. Life expectancy is how long someone is expected to live. The average lifetime for a person born in the United States in the 1900s was about 47 years old. That means on average, people only live to be about 47. That's quite short. But by 2000, the average lifetime had increased to 77 years. It went up by 30 years. Better healthcare is one of the major reasons for this increase. During the last 100 years, doctors have developed new and more efficient ways to treat illness. We have been able to control many infectious diseases. The development and use of vaccines has become commonplace. Improved highway safety, safer workplace, and better nutrition have also helped people live longer. This first table, it shows the years of life expectancy at birth from the year 1900 to 2010. So if they were born in the year 1900, between 1900 and 1909, they were expected to live on average about 47 years. Average lifetimes are different for males and females. The table above gives expected years of life for males and females combined, so it's an average. The graph below shows the data for males and females as separate lines. So here we have the same data but separated into males and females. The first thing we look at when we look at a bar graph or a line graph or a pie chart, anything, is the title. Years of life expected at birth, 1900 to 2010. Males and females separated. Then we look at the X and the Y axis. Years of life expected at birth, and along the bottom we have year. So, as you can see, the males are always less than the females. Males have about an average, depending on, I guess by the older they get, they have an average anywhere between 5 to 10 year difference in life expectancy. Please pause the video on at this point so that you can analyze the line graph and answer the questions on page 227. Remember, a line graph is better than a bar graph when you want to show how things have changed over time. As you're analyzing how the numbers have changed over time, it's good to keep in mind how the numbers are spread on the horizontal line and along the vertical line. How are they? What's the rate of increase? How quickly are they increasing? What's their rate? So on this side, we see that they have increments of 5 on the vertical side. On the horizontal, we have increments of 10 years. Now you're ready to complete the page. Remember to write your answers in complete sentence format. Question 1. What is the title of the graph? The title of the graph is... Question 2. What information is given on the horizontal line? The information given on the horizontal axis is... and so on. On question 6, you are supposed to make 2 observations, true observations. So go ahead and take a look at the numbers, and what can you tell about the way females and males differentiate in life expectancy? That could be 1. And 2, how do they differentiate in the early 1900s and maybe in the 1970s or 1980s? How is it different then? Please Write two true statements.